going on with y'all? It's your boy Jay Bill, your favorite tutor. I'm about to do another problem that involves rational expressions and division. So multiplying by the reciprocal and flipping it, and then simplifying and getting our answer. Alright? We done went over the rules. Okay? We went over the basics. Let's knock out this harder problem. Don't worry. I got your back every step of the way. You just follow my lead. Take some notes down, alright? Let's roll. Alright, so x squared minus 16 over 12y plus 36 divided by x squared minus 12x plus 32 divided by y squared minus 3y minus 18. Now, you might be asking me up front, Jay, I don't know what's going on, man. I feel lost. It's okay. I'm going to explain to you what happens now. Initially, the y's are on the bottom, right? How can I cancel out y's when they're on the bottom? You might be asking me that. It's okay, because when I divide and multiply by the reciprocal, I'm going to flip these guys around. Y is going to be on top, x is going to be on the bottom. Let's go ahead and rewrite this step, please. X squared minus 16 over 12y plus 36. Put my time symbol. These markers want to get away from me today. Times y squared minus 3y minus 18 over x squared minus 12x plus 32. Alright? Does anybody have any questions on what I just did right now? If you do, you can always call me at 682-777-8213. Alright? I'll help you out or text me. Alright? But we're going to walk through the problem. So, the next step, ladies and gentlemen, is to factor this out. We learned factoring earlier. So, let's apply those rules, okay? So, we know this is a what? A perfect square. The square root of 16 is 4. So we get x plus 4, x minus 4 here. Alright, right here, we know that, 12 goes into 12 once. 12 goes into 36 how many times? 3 times. 3 times. Alright, so 12 times y plus 3 gives me 12y plus 36. On the flip side of that, I need to factor these two right here, so it becomes times. Factors of 18, factors of 1 are 1 and 1, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. What gives me 3 in the middle? 6 times 1 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3, 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So, I'm going to use these guys right here. It has a minus and a minus, so that means my combination of binomials is going to be a plus and a minus somewhere. So I got this. Y here, y there. Okay? And we're going to have y plus 6 here and y minus 3. Or actually, I lied. We're going to have y plus 3 and y minus 6 here. Why? Because we get y squared. When we move forward, we get y squared minus 6y plus 3y. Negative 6 plus 3 is a negative 3. And then negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. So now, we have that done. Now we're going to do this bottom one real quick. The factors of 32 is a 1 and 1 as always. So 32 is going to be 1 and 32, 2 and 16. 4 and 8. So let's see what gives us 12. 8 times 1 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. We have a negative and a plus. Now, who can tell me what happens when we have a minus sign and a plus sign right here in the trinomial back to back? I'll give you 10 seconds to think about that. Well, a minus and a minus, because a negative and a negative becomes a what? positive, right? Because of positive. So, we're going to break this apart into x minus 4 and x minus 8. Now, if you can see clearly, some cancellations occur. Whatever is the same on top and the same on the bottom can be canceled out. Remember, those are called what? Holes in the graph. Holes in the graph. Okay? So, what goes away? X minus 4, x minus 4. Y plus 3, y plus 3. And that looks like that's pretty much it. Let's find our final answer, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be x minus 4, or x plus 4, times x minus 6 over 12 times x minus 8. And that's pretty much it. Okay? I cannot go any further on this particular problem. I cannot go any further on this particular problem. Final answer is x plus 4 times x minus 6 over 12 times x minus 8. Checkmate. Final answer. This is irreducible terms that can't go any, or irreducible terms that can't go any further. And that's it. Any questions on what I just did?